Hello mga Bebs! Join us for another fun episode
as we explore the city life.
This is located at T. Romero Street,
just behind Carl E. Balita Review Center, General Santos City. We're open daily
from 10 a.m. to 2 a.m.
Palang na mo guys, na amazed na ginimi sa place kay very aesthetically pleasing kay sa eyes.
Tas ang mga barista guys kay very welcoming jud kayo kay gigay jud mi nila throughout the session.
Let's go!
Keep calm and chill with side notes. A perfect place for your tara,
Kape.